It's finally here.
The day has come.
The Feast of Fiction Cookbook is now available worldwide at feastoffiction.com.
We've got over 55 original recipes.
200 pages filled with beautiful, full-size photographs covering fictional foods from all of your pop culture favorites.
We've got recipes from Steven Universe,
Star Wars,
SpongeBob,
Game of Thrones,
Percy Jackson,
The Lord of the Rings,
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles,
Back to the Future,
Avatar: The Last Airbender,
Kiki's Delivery Service,
Food Wars,
Breaking Bad,
and so many more.
The only way you'll get to see every single one of our recipes is by ordering it right now.
You could pick this up from a local bookstore or order online by using any of the websites we've listed at feastoffiction.com.
Now, this cookbook makes for an amazing gift to any aspiring chef, baker, or enthusiast.
And we guarantee that at least one recipe in this book will bring a smile to your face.
So, what are you waiting for? Head on over to feastoffiction.com and order the Fiction Kitchen Cookbook today on digital or hardcover.
We've been waiting for this day for almost a decade, and being able to share it with you guys is what keeps us going on this channel every day.
Yeah, thank you all so much, and we look forward to seeing you in the Fiction Kitchen.